My name is Neil Harbison and I'm a cyborg. I was born completely colorblind, so I created this antenna in order to extend my perception of color. The antenna picks up the light frequencies in front of me, so I then can hear different notes for different colors. Red is the lowest frequency of light, so it's a low frequency of sound, whereas violet is a high frequency of light, so it's a high frequency note. The antenna allows me to go beyond the visual spectrum. It includes infrareds and ultraviolets. It's not possible to take it off, it's implanted. So I sleep with it, I shower with it, I live with it every single day. And it's part of me like a nose or an ear. I don't feel that I'm using technology, I feel that I am technology. In 2004, after many correspondence with the UK Passport Office, my antenna was allowed to appear in my passport photo. This allowed me to be officially identified as a cyborg. I think in the future many more people will see it ethical to design yourself. It will be normal.
My name is Jens. I've had my microchip for 6 months. We are a growing community of people at the forefront with this technology. For the last few months, we've been able to present our train ticket with this microchip.
When we asked the train company to accept chip tickets, we were amazed when they agreed. In the future, I would like to use my chip for traveling on the metro, on buses, and pay for things in shops.
When the ticket collector comes, they can just scan the microchip with a smartphone. I commute 4 or 5 times a week, so having this microchip makes it a lot more easier for me. I feel like I'm saving everyone time.
My name is Sam Kosman. I'm the founder of Quake Technologies. Our aim is to revolutionize the ability for human beings to see through smoke. I was exploring a volcano in Nicaragua and had a difficult time seeing through dense volcanic smoke. So we turned to the fire industry with the hopes of finding a solution. Didn't exist. So I assembled a team and wound up creating a product called See-Through. This product was actually co-created with firefighters for firefighters to save lives.
What we do is a very high-risk, very dangerous job. When we are fighting a structural fire, 90–95% of the time, it's zero visibility. The ability to essentially switch on vision is game-changing for what we do. This is absolutely the future of firefighting.
To be working on a project that has the potential to save lives around the world is very humbling, and we're excited about what the future holds for it.